Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have this Harbor Breeze Slinger 72-inch ceiling fan. It's in my room now. I took the Hampton Bay down so I can put it up. The thing is massive. I got this off of Craigslist. It's a light. Up. Almost have a little battery on it. This is a daylight bulb. It had a warm white. I don't like the warm white. In here, I like the pure white or daylight. Not really a good angle. Let's see if I sit down over here. Oh, okay, got it. So, let's go ahead and start low. So, speed 1. Nope, I gotta get it. The remote's really, short wavelengths. Ooh. There we go. This is it coming up on low speed, or speed 1 out of 6. That's speed 1. So now let's get up here. Speed 2. Speed 3. A little bit of a wobble to it. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. I will say this thing actually moves a decent amount of air. Not only that, it's fast. Faster than a 9-bladed fan. Very quiet. Very smooth. Let's go ahead and turn the light on. Because we're here, let's take a quick little look at it with the lights off in here. Once again, a very cool fan. I'm glad to have it. Let's go to the light off. And let's stop it. Let's see how long the spin down is. Shouldn't be too long for this fan, I'm sure. This is probably going to stay in here actually. I like it a lot. Moves about the same amount of air as the Hampton Bay Industrial. And it's really cool. I like black and chrome. Don't really have a use for the light kit. If I could find a way of getting rid of the light kit, I would. But this is good for right now. I'm happy with it.